Since you left me, I've been bitter. I think that means I'm getting desperate. All right, so Girl Like Me, Jazmine Sullivan. If you don't know this song, I'm not gonna lie, you probably living under a rock because this song slaps. But honestly, this song is like super easy. We're only using 3 chords, and I had to look up like the chord names because I don't really know the chord names. But the first chord, we're gonna start on the 5th fret. So you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you're gonna put your pointer finger on this 5th string, and your middle finger on the 3rd string, this one on the 4th string, and this one on the 2nd string. And it's gonna look like this. And this is called a D major 7. You're gonna play that, boom, D major 7. So like this. Or you're gonna, like that. That's how you're gonna play it. Then you're gonna remove all your fingers and just move up 1 fret right here and keep it on the 5th string and put your middle finger on the 2nd string and this one on the 4th string, like that, and play like this. That's the 2nd chord. Now that is C sharp minor 7. We're gonna get into the picking pattern a little later. And then from here, you're gonna move and slide up 2 frets like this, 1, 2. And this is the last chord, and you're gonna do the same shape. So first on the 5th, on the 2nd, and then on the 4th like this, and you're gonna play. Just like that. And this one is called the B minor 7 as well. We're gonna start at the 1st fret, go to the 2nd one, then go to the last one. Now, in order to get like that beat like that, it's just the way you're plucking the things. So what you're gonna do is, since you're right here, you're gonna keep your fingers all on the same. So your thumb on the 5th one, your thumb is gonna be on the 5th one, and then these are gonna be just like this. So you got ring finger on the 2nd, and then this middle finger on the 3rd, and this one on the 4th. And then your thumb is like this, so it's like this. You're basically gonna do your thumb, and then you're gonna do all these at the same time, and then hit it. That's called like a chuck. So you're gonna, just like that every time. Then when you move up to the 2nd chord, you're gonna do this with your fingers. It's kind of similar to the first one, but it's just like an extra one of those. Then when you go up to the last chord, like right here, you pick like this. So the first one is like this. So basically on this 3rd one, you just basically combined the first, and then the 2nd, and then to the last one, you're gonna do this. You see how I just combined both of those at the beginning, and then you're gonna go back to the beginning. Just like that, every time. You play this the whole song, it just repeats. I made a profile tender. Since you left me, I've been bitter. No, 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 no. Honestly, this is just a solid pattern, bro. Ooh, Okay. Anyways, all right, we're gonna run that through. So the first one, D major 7. 2nd one, go up 1. That's the C sharp minor 7. Then the last one is the B minor 7. Then repeat. And then keep playing. Freestyle if you have to. You feel me? You can do anything with this, not just, sing the regular song. That's what it is for this tutorial. Let me know what tutorial y'all want next. We out.